Hello and welcome back. Now, today's episode is on the daily again, because it's developed an oil leak. I know, incredible, right? BMW leaking oil. No, that's unheard of. Anyway, the place where the leak is coming from, now that's got me a bit suspicious. Let's take a look. As you can see, the car is already on jack stands, and I've taken the underneath tray off. Now, the pipe in question is this one over here and goes down underneath. It's full of oil. Now, let's start with taking this one off. The T20. Oh, there are two screws from the front as well. I should start to put screws back in as I've taken them out, or I'll just lose them. I think that's a good practice. So, that's where the air goes in through the turbo. Afterwards, it goes through this pipe to the intercooler, and on the other side, it comes out from the intercooler in this pipe. Now, that's not a place that you should get oil. Am I right? So let's try to take it off and see what's wrong with it. Now, how do you open a clamp like this? There's some oil in, but nothing too scary, I guess. Let's get underneath. This thing is getting in the way, and the bolts are really crunchy. I don't know if I can take them off. The socket isn't even going on. This is going to be bad. Yep, it's not even biting. There's some oil, but just a little. Okay. So, as you can see, there's some oil, but just a little. Maybe I could just clean it up. Now, let's inspect further. After a bit of thinking, I've come up with a plan. What I want to do is take off the intake pipe and the pipe that's going to the intercooler. Check the situation there, and probably gonna take the intercooler off as well, just to see how much oil is in there. Well, that broke off. With the airbox out, there's more room for activities. It's actually held in with the screw right over there. There is a bit of oil, but nothing alarming, I'd say. Let's try and take a look at the shaft. Does it have play? No, that's actually rock solid. No play over there. And it's spinning freely, so far so good. Let's continue with this one. Oh, and there's a nasty oil leak somewhere over there. Okay, that's off. A bit of oil here as well, but nothing alarming, so I'd say so far so good. I think that the fan is the next one to come out. It's a crunchy one, but I got it out. Though there's none on the other side. I have to unclip a coolant hose. Now that there's more room for activities, how do you take the intercooler out? Now what I'm going to attempt to do is grind in a slot in these two rusty screws so that I can get a screwdriver in. And it broke off. Well, that's going to be a nightmare to get out. Oh, it's on clips. Oh, finally. Now this thing isn't perfect. Oh my god, it's actually turning. Now, how do you get the intercooler out? There are two really crunchy torque screws. Oh, and I mean really crunchy. There's nothing alive. I'm not getting the intercooler out this way. Oh, they're done. What am I to do now? In the end, my gut is telling me not to mess with the intercooler bolts, and as you can see, hopefully, that the intercooler is actually clean. It doesn't have any oil in it. So, I'd say that's good. Now, what I did notice is a rather nasty coolant leak over here. Looks like that plug is leaking. So, the plan of action actually is that I should clean everything up and put together and see what happens after that. I just thought that the intercooler might have quite a lot of oil in it, and well, that's not the case. I'm happy about it. Didn't expect that one, but I don't have the plug for now, and I should actually look how to change it and order the part before I get on with that one, but that's gonna have to wait. Currently, I just want to clean everything up and put together. Now that I know that the daily is usable. About this pipe, we'll see. Now let's try to clean it up a bit over here. Hey guys, look, this plug here, I can rotate it with my finger. You see? Should it be like that? Maybe it being loose is the reason why it's losing a bit of coolant. Do comment down below, it would really help me. Now I'm gonna take some engine cleaner and just scrub these parts clean. At least that's the plan. After a bit of cleaning, the intercooler pipes are really clean. Now, it's time to put them back in the car, and since you already saw how I took them off, I think I'm gonna skip you with that, and let's see how it turned out. As you can see, the car is back on its wheels, and everything here is put back together. It's probably hard to see, but let's focus it. But it's clean as it was ever. You can see the hoses that are clean. All of that was previously dirty. Now, I haven't started the car yet, so let's give it a go. Do I have any errors? No. no leaks yet, so let's do a test drive. The test drive was a success. The intercooler hoses aren't leaking oil, at least currently not. I have to drive in some traffic to see if that's really the case, because I think that the engine should be a bit hotter for it to happen. Anyway, I didn't fix any leaks, but now I can monitor the situation because the engine bay is way cleaner, and this actually is the first time that I'm doing something like that, messing around with pipes in the engine bay, and that is a great deal for me. Now, if you enjoyed this video, do please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye.